let's calculate an expected boiling point elevation of a solution. The solution is 0.90 molar sugar. Sugar is sucrose, which has a chemical formula C12H22O11. Now, we see that all of these atoms are nonmetals, so this is a covalent compound. Because this is a covalent compound, we know the Van 't Hoff factor is 1. Each unit of this compound is going to produce only one particle solute in solution. So we've made our appropriate substitutions. I is equal to 1, because this is a covalent compound. Kb is given to us. We have the appropriate units, and our molality, M, is given in moles per kilogram. So 0.90 molal is 0.90 moles per kilogram. If we look at the units, we see units of moles cancel out, units of kilograms cancel out, and the only unit that survives is a temperature unit, degrees C. So when we multiply this out, we see our delta TB is equal to 0.468 degrees C. Now this is not our final answer, because this value is equal to the delta TB. So to get the boiling point of the solution, we need to add delta TB to the boiling point of our solvent. Since our solvent is water, our boiling point is exactly 100 degrees C. Because remember, that's based on a definition. So we add our delta TB to our boiling point, and we end up with a boiling point of our solution. And here we have our final answer. We've added our delta TB to the boiling point of the pure solvent, and we now have the boiling point of the solution. So the solution boils at just a little bit higher temperature than the pure solvent.